Alright, y'all. I've got 4 pieces of 14-inch wire. It's 20 gauge dead soft, and it's round. So I've got a whole. This is a bead. I don't know what it was. It's some kind of agate. I think it's some fire crackled agate or something like that. I don't know. Somebody told me, and I can't remember. So I'm going to try to find the center of this. And I am going to, if I can find my round nose, just had them. There. I'm about at the center. But I am going to put I'm going to wrap it around and make me a loop here. I'm going to make a loop like that. That way I can dangle something from the bottom of that whenever I get done. And we're going to put it towards the middle. Try to get these about right. We don't want that on the outside. So that's what we have so far. So now we're going to take our bead, figure out, well, we'll figure out in a minute which side we want to use. Put it down there. Scoot it down just a little bit. Right. Now, let's get that down a little bit. And we're just going to wrap this half round wire around. Tuck that up. Wrap it around. And we can get rid of this tape. That tape, I used it for painting, and now it's sticky for some reason. more than usual. Let's cut that little short wire. Cut that wire. Oh. I believe I've sat here too long. Alright, now I'm going to take, let's get to the back. We're going to bend this out, I think. And I'm going to bend this that way. And this one that way. To give that bead a place to sit. Hi everyone, I was recording this and my card got full, and then I got that far. All I did was make a loop on one of the inside ones to hang something from. I used half round wire to wrap. I started here and I went up under here and I wrapped around here. And then I did 6 wraps here, 6 wraps here. And then I got the back ready to hold the stone. So, and we are using this bead. I don't know if I want that as the front. Or that as the front. I think this one. So now we're gonna bend these into place, and I'm going to take it out for a minute until I can get a couple of them to bend. Ow. Yep, I jabbed that into my hand. Well, oh boy, I don't have any luck here lately. think I've got it wrapped way too tight. And let me use a different pair of pliers. That might grip better. Alright, I'm going to reshape it a little bit. Alright, let's slide it in there. Probably have to lift up on them. I don't like that one ain't there. Lift up on them a little bit so I can get it in there. Get it down. I got myself good with a pair of pliers. But we'll keep going. I'm going to straighten this out a little bit. Still not straight like I wanted. There. Maybe now. Yeah. Alright. I have to pull them out a little bit more. I was hoping I could catch it both at the same time, but I don't think I can. So. I think I made this thing too tight. And boy, I don't know if I can buff out all that. We'll see if I can. So I've already got a lot of marks on that wire. Tempted to switch it and use that as the back. I think that's marred up on that side. So. We're going to use the other side for our front. And it's still crooked. Now, see if I can do this without marring it up too much more. Don't like that that's a file. All right. That's what we have. I wish I would have got the rest of it, but I didn't. Okay. I used tape on this stuff and it made my wire sticky. I think I'm going to use 4 of them to make a bell. We're going to wrap it around. A paintbrush like that. And I wish I wouldn't have cut that round wire. Alright, we're going to take our half round wire. Whoops. And see if I can get it held here. Go around. And we're going to cut it here. Let's see. I don't let nothing go to waste if I can help it. That one I had started on one end and I thought, well, just leave that there. And we'll cut it off whenever we get to it. Alright, there's our clasp. I mean, not. There's our bell. I just gotta get this cut loose here. Well, wonder if I could tuck it. I I've already cut at it, so let's see if we can take this under before I cut it. Way it's not going to come loose, and you're not going to see it. So that's what I want the bell to look like. I'm going to take this and I'm going to do a swirl. And go back around. We're going to go one more time. Hold it there. I'm going to cut it here. About there. And take it. And bend it under. Bring it up. Bring it up through there. Probably have to clip it again. And I pull it. And if you pull it like that, just gently move it back. I think I pulled too much out over this one I did. Oh, there went my stuff in the floor. I can tell you this pendant I don't think wanted to be made. Now, I'm going to take this one. Do I want to put, I need something there. Wonder if both wires will fit. No. Alright. Huh. Did you see what I did? I used that I wanted to use as the back for the front. I guess it was destined to be the front. So there's the side I wanted to use. Oh well, it's in there now. I just saw that. Oh well. Do I want to or not? I don't think I want to. That's what we'll do. Just make sure you hold these whenever you I want to clamp it there, but I want to put something here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try something. It may not work. It may work. It may not. I cut that way too long. I have tried to make videos all weekend and it just has not worked out for me. I don't know if I just shouldn't be making them this weekend or... wonder if I take that one around, take it up through. I'd like to have a smaller crystal than this. So I'm going to get my little thing out. I have to put some colloidal silver on my hand in a little bit because jab these pliers into it. See where I'm coming out at. Pull it through. I have to work to get that pulled through. Pull it through. Put it there. Then I'm going to take it and turn it. I think I've realized why I miss the shots sometimes whenever I'm making jewelry. Because I brace my arm on the arm of the chair. And I believe that's what it does. So do I want to do anything with those? I haven't cut them yet. Do I want to bring them around and that's what I'm going to do. But first I need to hook something there. Put that back over that. And we're going to make it look like that. If I can get it to go in that hole. We might not be able to. Better not cut it there. So I don't think I can get it in between that wire here. So where am I going to go? It's going to be right there. I'll hook it there. I'll have to buy me a buffing wheel for my Dremel. because this one's going to have to be buffed out. And that way. There, I got it. Got it hooked. That's one way to do it. Alright. Wasted all that wire, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it. And I'm going to make a wrap around it. And that's enough. Tighten it up. And I don't know if I want to use this huge bead or not. See if we mash this down. Cut this wire off. Alright, I'm going to cut this wire off. Alright, we're going to mash this down, because it's got to catch on it. Put that one on. Then I am going to make a little swirl at the bottom. Like that. And I'm going to bring it around like that. Take it around that bead. Put this little bead on. Right there. To cover up some of my wire there. And I'm going to take it around that. And we'll stick it through here. So this is what we did. We just made a little curl at the bottom. Went across the bead. Went back across and added the little bead. And I'm going to tuck this in. And hopefully cut it. I just didn't like the way it dangled down so far. So there we go, we've wrapped it. Where'd my colors go? All right. And I save my copper, that way I can melt it down. Or get somebody to melt it down for me. But you gotta be careful doing that because you don't want to breathe it. Okay. Okay, y'all. There's our pendant. I wanted to use the other side, but this side decided it wanted to be. It wanted to be the front, and it does look good. So I had debated on using this one the first time, but I don't know why I decided on the other side. But yeah, I might have to get a buffing tool to smooth out my wire. But I've got the Dremel. I just need the buffing wheel to see if I can get some of these nicks out of here. Because, yeah, I've got it nicked up. Y'all, thanks for watching. And y'all have a good one. And thanks for sticking out to the end and liking and subscribing. It really helps me out. And until next time, bye-bye.